Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are doing a super low-key, natural, like everyday makeup look. I did a poll on my Instagram whether you wanted to see a prom tutorial next or a festival look next, and you can probably guess which one won. So today we are covering our face in glitter and jewels. I wanted to do something just super fun and extra, and I wish I could wear makeup like this every day. I think this is actually one of my favourite makeup looks which I have ever done. I've never done something this extreme before and it's absolutely stunning, and you can definitely do this at home. It's so easy, so I really hope you do enjoy it. Let me know if you do down in the comments below. Please give it a big thumbs up as well, and if you are new here, then hello, my name is Zoe. This is my YouTube channel and you can subscribe if you want to. I have made a bit of a start just to speed things up a little bit because I think it's all about the colour and glitter today. So I've already done my foundation, concealer, bronzer. I've done my eyebrows as usual, and I've just gone over my eyelids with a bit of concealer as well to prime. The eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using today is the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, which I absolutely love, especially for this time of year because it's definitely very bright. It's perfect for festivals and things like that. I really want to do like warm pinks on the top and then blues underneath the eyes. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is this orangey one. So I'm using this first brush to sort of pack on the colour into the crease. And then with a brush that's got nothing on, I'm just going to start blending the edges upwards. Okay, so next we're going to use this more vibrant pink, and I'm just packing it onto a different brush now, and this I think I'm going to put all over the lid and into the crease as well. And this palette is just so pigmented and vibrant, it's so nice. Yeah, so I'm going to pack this all onto the lid, and we're going to go into the crease a little bit with it. Don't want to lose too much of that orange though. And then with the brush that we had the orange on, I feel like I need to blend this a little bit higher, so I feel like there are just no rules when it comes to festival makeup. You can literally wear anything that you want. And then with the brush that's got nothing on, just blowing all that out. I'm going to start with the under eyes now, and I want them to be really nice and blue. So I'm going to start with this pencil. You've probably seen me use this quite a lot. I like to use it in the waterline. It's like a baby turquoisey blue kind of colour. I'm going to go in the waterline with this, and I'm also going to go along the lash line quite low with this as well. This is going to be like a base for the eyeshadows we're going to apply. All along the lower waterline, coming down really quite far till we look super funny like that, and then I'm going to smudge that out with this baby blue shade here. I think this blue shade in this palette is probably one of my favourites. So first I'm working on one, setting that eyeliner in place, and two, just smudging it down a little bit, and then I'm going to turn this brush over and start blending it out so it's not so harsh. So then underneath it's like a blender. I'm going to start buffing all that out, and I want it quite blown out as well into this outer shade here because we are going to be putting glitter all there anyway. Okay, so now we're going to go in with a bit of that darker blue, and this is just going a lot closer to the lash line. So just to deepen this up a little bit, we are going to be putting glitter underneath the eyes as well. I think we're going to be putting glitter everywhere today, so if you don't like glitter then you're probably not going to like this video. Just to tie everything in together, I'm going to use a bit of that purple there, the darkest one, and I just want a little bit of this just in this outer corner. Okay, and then before we do any of the glitter or lashes or anything, I'm going to do my highlight because I want to highlight the inner corners as well. So the palette that I'm using is a Sleek Solstice palette, and I really want to use like that pastel purple highlight. I want it super bright on the cheeks because we're going to apply like a unicorn glitter. So I think this will look really nice underneath it. And I've also got one of those like jeweled headpieces as well. Also want to highlight the inner corners with this, and I'm making them super bright. This is not an everyday makeup look, guys, so I'm going all out today. I think you've got to be bright and colourful and wear as much colour and glitter as you can on a festival. Actually never been to a festival. I would love to go, but the weather always puts me off in the UK, and I don't know whether I would be able to camp. I don't know about that. Before we do anything else, I am going to put my headpiece on because I've been dying to put it on. I bought this from eBay I don't think I'm going to use the jewels today, but I am going to use this sort of head jewel, and it's so colourful, it looks so nice. I'm going to attempt to use my viewfinder as my mirror, so I'm sorry if I'm not looking directly at you. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Is that even in the middle? It's not in the middle. Okay, I don't feel like I'm 100% symmetrical, but that will do. I'm just holding it down so it's definitely stuck. And how good does that actually look? I think if you wanted to make sure this lasted all day, I'd probably just put a little bit of eyelash glue on the outer edges just so it didn't come loose. Okay, so now moving on to the exciting part, which is glitter, where I'm probably going to make a lot of mess. I got this palette from Beauty Bay. It's from Festival Face, and it's got 12 different glitters in, and I think it was only like £19. It's got like silvers, turquoises, pinks, unicorn, every single glitter that you would need really for a festival. So I'm going to apply as much of this to my face as I can. My under eyes, I'm first going to apply this one, which is like a turquoisey one. It's got a mix of like chunky glitter and small glitter, and it's super pretty. So I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue. I'm just going to apply the glitter glue all underneath my eye, and I'm going straight into the glitter and just pressing it down. Also remember that if you are using glitter around your face, then make sure that it is a face and body glitter and not a nail glitter. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to press down. And I am absolutely obsessed with this. Okay, so I've just applied my lashes, and I think this looks absolutely ace like this. You could definitely just leave it like this and put a lip gloss on. You'd be definitely festival ready. It looks so good. But as I'm here, might as well apply a little bit more. I just want to do just a little bit, I think, coming from the temple onto my cheek. So out of the same glitter kit, I've used two and just mixed them together. One's like a more unicorn type colour, which is exactly the same as my head jewels, and then the other one is the same but a little bit more pink, and I think it's got a few more different shapes in this one. Just dot the glitter glue around, and then I've got the glitter on the same finger and just dot it on, and I think that looks very pretty. And I think this looks absolutely ace. When do you ever get another time to wear this much glitter? And I think that looks pretty amazing. I'm absolutely loving this look. For lips, I'm just gonna use like a nude pencil. I'm using this one from NYX. I think I've used it before. It's in San Diego. Then I'm just going to dab a little bit of gloss over top. This is from Primark, and I can't remember what the shade is. I ripped the shade off, but it's just like a nude sort of gloss. Okay, so that finishes our festival look, guys. Let me know if you want to see any more. I really hope you liked it. Let me know if you did down in the comments below, and please give it a big thumbs up as well and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.